a hearty welcome to each of you who've taken time not just to come to the Capitol, the United States Capitol, to be a part of what we have, not just Americanism, but a message to the world. And as the Sikh community well understands, your participation in not only making America a greater nation, but also including yourself and your families that have chosen to make America home. Today we recognized as the first Sikh religious leader to come on the floor of the House of Representatives today, and Don Norcross leading that effort to make sure that we not only welcome you, but understand by listening to you about the ideas which so many of you feel so strongly about, and that is not only your own safety, but that is that you came to America to be a part of making our country better. Do I believe that we are perfect? No. Are we still working together? Yes. But I would encourage each of you to have the faith and confidence, not only in yourself, but also your religious beliefs that are about peace and opportunity and love and the chance to make everyone's life better is something that we strongly believe in also. So, you being here today, not just Don Norcross, not just David Valadeo, not just myself, but also Pat Meehan, have all taken a special interest to make sure that we are listening, not just to your leaders, but you today. New Jersey is home to many of you. I used to live in New Jersey a couple hundred years ago when I was when I was at the old what is called Bell Labs in New Jersey. And it was a high-tech area and one in which was leading the world in research and development of not just communications, but the ability to create new concepts and ideas. I was on the original team that won the Labs Team of the Year award for broadband. And I was proud to be, as a young man, on that team. I had colleagues who I'm sure, although we were not a religious organization at the Labs, I met many of your, what I'm sure were members of the Sikh community who were high-tech oriented, who were bright mathematicians, who understood concepts just as many of our leading edge, necessarily people who were from institutions such as Princeton and University of Chicago, and they were a part of that community. So I got to work with what I'm sure was members of your community, probably your grandfathers now. But please know this, that you being here in Washington is no mistake. It comes as a result of a concerted effort to put together an idea built around religious values, values of freedom and opportunity. And we're hearing stories that the community is going through, and it does distress us, and we will take the necessary responsibility to make sure that we're for freedom for everybody. So on behalf of myself, and I think David Valadeo and this young man, David, who you're going to hear from in just a second, a great young member from New Jersey, we want to thank you very much, and most especially Print Paul, for bringing the leadership ideas that he has to this important location, and that is our United States Congress. May God be with you.